I was at a continuing education seminar several years ago in San Diego, and I happened to be sitting next to Michael Thomas during the lunch break, and I overheard him talking to another doctor about his system. And afterwards, I introduced myself and asked him if I could demo the product, and that's how I got started with it. Actually, I use it for both. I'm a chiropractor. I've been practicing for over 20 years, and once I started using it about 7 or 8 years ago on myself for a shoulder injury, I found after a month that it healed my shoulder after I tried all these different types of therapies. And so from then I started using it on my patients, and I've seen tremendous results, and I've been using it ever since. Well, one of the things, most people who see a chiropractor is for neck and back pain, headaches, and arthritis. So I see a decreased inflammation, a decrease in nerve or radiating pain down their legs, down their arms. I see a lot of sports injuries, runners, athletes, and it actually helps improve getting them back to playing their sport or doing their sport faster, and increased range of motion and decreased pain. Absolutely. I've recommended to actually all of the above. I've recommended to my own family. My family uses it almost daily. I've recommended to many of my patients. They've actually asked me how to purchase the product, and it's really easy to use. So that's why I think it's something that they can take their own health and be proactive with their healing. So I definitely recommend it. So some of the techniques that I use here in the office is gait training. I do evaluate a lot of runners and actually kids' gait and how they walk to see if they have pronate, supinate, if they're having chronic knee, ankle, or hip pains. We make corrections for that, and I teach them how to actually help themselves. One of the adjunct therapies I use is actually a very specialized tool called Halo Multiverse, and it's a high-powered LED violet light that we use to actually help improve the person's performance by decreasing inflammation and getting them back to their sport faster.